Okay, here's the tight VNC viewer, and this is connecting to the Raspberry Pi via Windows. I actually do most of the work via Linux, but the screen capture video works better in Windows, so that's why I'm capturing it here. Of note, after you put the IP of the Raspberry Pi, you have to put colon and then number 1 or whichever virtual machine in Linux you have TightVNC running on. And this is password protected. And then here is the Raspberry Pi. And what I'm basically doing is creating Python Flask scripts. And the script we're working on today is robot 2. Let's see, what the heck did it open with? That's good enough, whatever this is. Oh, the notepad. And here you just, this is like import statements in C. It's just importing the libraries you have to use. And this is configuring the app, and the app route is robot, and then it just returns a render template. Robot.html is the HTML script. It's the same one that we rendered with the Arduino, and except because this is templates, we could take the direct HTML and just make a slight change to pass the value. The parameter I have is direction, and that is embedded into the robot HTML, and this is just parsing the get for the variable direction. And then this part just runs the app. And then if we go back here into the templates folder, double click on this thing is so fast. Now let me just do it this way. And then you go into robot.html. Don't open with this one. I don't like this one. Yeah, let's do a text editor again. Now this is a simple style sheet. It's the same one in the version 2 of the controller. I don't think I ever made a video of that, but and this is pretty simple stuff. It's just making a bunch of submit buttons with the name, direction, and different values. So right, left, forward, back, start, all is here. And then there's some other stuff, non-direction about the lights and the horn. And okay, now to get this thing going, it's currently going, but let's just do a Control C, and then we just go here. It's a sudo python roboto2.py, and you just click this, and then it starts. And then you take a web browser. In this case, we'll use Chrome. And let me just shrink it to the right size. Okay, there. And then you just put in the IP and /robot. Now this is the control, and this is wired up now. Like if you hit forward, it does forward here. If you do left, it puts left here. This is being passed. And the way it's being passed, if you go here and see here where you have the double curly braces, that's like a bookmark or a variable, and it fills up with what the direction value is. And that's pretty much it. There are other steps obviously I'm going to take to get the actual wiring to the pins, and then we'll do another breadboard of the of the circuit with the blinkers and whatnot. But we're on target within a week or two to have everything that the Arduino was doing done with the Raspberry Pi. There's been a learning curve, of course, but some of this stuff fell into place. Yeah, some of it I worked pretty hard at. But at least now we're running, and we're running with a Raspberry Pi, and we got to see what's next. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.